everyone, come on inside. It's Slade on Slade, let's enjoy the ride. Action figure stories, worlds untold, from brand new releases to classics of old. Unbox the legends, hear the tales, heroes, monsters, epic scales. From the shelf to the written page, adventure comes alive on every stage.
Welcome to Slade on Slade. This is my daughter Ashley, fresh home from basic training, AIT, freshly promoted to private first class. Back to work at Chick-fil-A. Did I mention she's got 107 wins for wrestling at a high school, set her own records where no records existed. She is an absolute rock star and been to state twice. I cannot be more proud of her.
3 times.
3 times. I'm sorry, state 3 times. So what did we get in the package today?
We got the big King Ghidorah.
King Ghidorah.
Really big.
Today we got giant size King Ghidorah.
Yep, we're gonna build them.
Ashley's not a huge Godzilla fan, but we wanted her in the video. Gotta get those kids, farm that content, pull out that heartstrings. Look at that.
He got 3.
Want to get close to it? All right, we'll take some photos later on. I'll add us a little stuff. Other than that, this is a fairly quick video. The heads pose up really nice. So, yeah, so I'm gonna do some photos. We're gonna wait till the sun hits just right, and I'll do a little voiceover work because I know how much you guys love my voice. God, I hate my own voice. All right, thank you for watching Slade on Slade. Next portion will begin now.
Slade on Slade. Books and toys, we're here to play. Action figure stories bright. Let's unbox and write tonight. Welcome to Slade on Slade. Books and toys, we're here to play. Action figure stories bright. Let's unbox and write tonight. Welcome to Slade on Slade. Books and toys, we hip and toys, we're here to play. Action figures, stories bright. Let's unbox and write tonight. Welcome to Slade on Slade. Books and toys, we're here to play. Action figures, stories bright. Let's unbox and write tonight. Welcome to Slade on Slade. Books and toys, we're here in place, we're here to play. Action figures, stories bright. Let's unbox and write tonight. Welcome to Slade on Slade. books and toys, we're here to play. Action figures, stories bright. Let's unbox and write tonight. Welcome to Slade. Books and toys.